Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Border focus on creating a digitally Viksit Bharat. The company's vision and initiative align with its larger goal of transforming India into a digitally empowered society and a thriving digital economy. In addition to its technology-specific efforts, it also aims to bridge the gap between citizen and the government through its digital solution. Sandrud Bharat Technologies Private Limited, an IT company based in Panji, Goa, focus its corporate social responsibility efforts on digital transformation and empowerment. Its mission is to create a digital Viksit Bharat by fostering digital literacy and inclusion across India. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.